I'm Andrew O'Neill. I'm a comedian and writer and actor and musician, and I've come in to talk to some students about how to write comedy scripts. They were all buzzing with ideas, and it was quite a pleasant experience working with cynical comedy industry people to come into a room full of excited students with energy. Hopefully what they can get out of me coming in is an insight into how the industry works, an insight into how a professional will approach the project they're doing, and I guess just sort of experience, helping them steer clear of cliches to a degree, helping them embrace cliches when it's useful, and just a bit of insight into how the process works. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's been an honour.